Hello everyone and welcome to the Safety and Compliance Center. This is Bilal Khan and here I will simplify NEBOSH IGC course for you. I'm very confident that by the end of this session you will have much better understanding of the topic if you will interact with the exercises given between the session. In this video we will discuss the important aspects of the hand-arm vibration, including its health effects, how to properly assess the vibration exposure and the relevant vibration exposure standards. We will also cover the effective vibration control measures and the role of health surveillance in protecting the workers from the vibration related injuries. Exposure to the hand-arm vibration can lead to a range of serious health problems, collectively from known as the hand-arm vibration syndromes. One common symptom is vibration white finger, where the fingers blanch or turn white due to poor blood circulation. The prolonged exposure can also cause nerve damage, muscles weakening, and joint damage, all of which affect the hand function. Additionally, workers may develop the carpal tunnel syndrome, a painful condition caused by pressure on the nerves in the wrist. Exposure to the whole body vibration commonly affects workers who spend long hours driving or operating heavy equipment machineries, such as dump truck drivers. One of the primary health effects in back pain, which can develop over time due to the continuous vibration transmitted through the seat and the vehicle controls. These vibrations can lead to discomfort, reduced productivity, and long-term musculoskeletal problems. Control of Vibration at Work Regulation 2005 set the framework for assessing the vibration exposure. The total vibration dose a worker receives is determined by two main factors: the vibration magnitude, how strong the vibration is, and the duration of the exposure, how long the worker is exposed to vibration. So the personal exposure is calculated as the 8-hour energy equivalent vibration magnitude, known as A8. The A8 value is then compared to the legal limits to decide if action is needed to reduce the risk. Vibration exposure standards set limits to protect the workers from harmful effects. For hand-arm vibration, the daily exposure action value is 2.5 meter per second A8, while the exposure limit value is 5 meter per second A8. For whole body vibration, the daily action value is lower at 0.5 meter per second A8, with a limit value of 1.15 meter per second of AH. So these values help employers know when to take the action to reduce the vibration exposure and protect the workers' health. When exposure reaches or exceeds the daily exposure action value 2.5 meter per second for hand-arm vibrations and 0.5 meter per second for the whole body vibration, employers must take proper actions like conducting the risk assessments, take steps to reduce the exposure level, provide appropriate training, and implement the health surveillance program for the affected workers. If the exposure reaches or exceeds the daily exposure limit value of 5 meter per second for hand arm vibration and 1.15 meter per second for the whole body vibration, immediate action is required to reduce the exposure below the limit value to protect the worker's health. To reduce the vibration exposure, the first step is to reduce vibration at source by eliminating or substituting the vibrating equipment, changing the work techniques, and ensuring the regular maintenance. Next, you can interrupt the vibration pathway by isolating the source or the worker from the vibration. Managing the duration of exposure is also important. This can be done by limiting the time spent on vibrating tasks or using job rotation. Finally, protecting the person when with the appropriate personal protective equipment adds an extra layer of defense against the vibration related health risks. When vibration exposure reached or exceed the exposure action value, the health surveillance plays a crucial role in protecting the workers. It allows for the identification of workers with pre-existing vibration damage as well as those developing a new damage. Based on these findings, the affected workers can be removed or excluded from the vibration sources to prevent further harm. The health surveillance also helps in the investigation of vibration source so that the problems can be identified and corrected promptly. Thank you very much for watching this video from the Safety and Compliance Center. If you have any question regarding this session, please drop your questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer that. This is your channel. Like it, subscribe it for more safety content. Stay safe, stay blessed, and goodbye.